What is going on, guys? NapTheCreeper here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to port forward and create a server for Unturned. This is a new video game for Steam, which is basically DayZ and Minecraft put together with Blockland graphics. So, first of all, what you're going to do is go to your start and then type in cmd, which is command prompt, and then you want to type in ipconfig. And then what you want to type into your over here is 192.2.1, which is your default gateway. So what you want to do is get your default gateway and type that into your address bar over here. But if that does not work, then type in your IP4 address right here and put that into your address link right there. So mine is that, and then I'm just gonna hit enter. And then there's supposed to be a little box over here where it says to log in. Usually it's the same username and password, but the password and username are the same. But if you do not know what your username and password are, then you want to go to portforward.com and go to routers, and then select whatever your router is. Let's say, for example, this is mine, which it isn't, but let's just pretend it is. And then click on a random server or a game to do, and then it will say over here what your address and thing. So it says right there 3BB for the password for this certain thing. So, but make sure you type in your correct router and your router model, and just click on a random game. You don't need to specify it, just so that it will show you what your username and password is if you don't know already. So once you're in your router, what you want to do is go to your network, and again, if you don't know how to get to the port forwarding section of your router, then on that same exact website, just click on a random game, and then it'll show you step by step, and then it takes pictures, like screenshots of your port forward of this section, and it'll lead you to there. And then once you're at the port forwarding thing, then just close that up, because that's not the game that you're port forwarding. This is the game that you're port forwarding. So what you want to do is the rule name, create the rule name, call it Unturned, and then protocol could be both. Source ports 25444. Destination IP or host name is going to be your own laptops or computer, and mine is this one. And the way you can tell is in brackets it says your IP4 address, which is right there. IP4 address 2.11, that's 2.11. And destination is going to be 25444. Save that and wait for it to load. Settings saved. Once your settings are saved, you can close that up. Open up Unturned. Alright guys, so as soon as you're in Unturned, what you want to do to host the game is you go to play, and then you go to host, and once you're in host, you select anything that you want over here, PI, whatever, you know, you can change, just change anything. No sync, and sync means that, I think it means like every 10 minutes or so, it just automatically saves the server game. But what you want to do essentially is password. If you're playing on a private server and you don't want people to join, like you're just playing with a few buddies, then just put a password on there. But if you're not, if you're just doing it to public or friends, then just put no password. Max players, do whatever you want. Port, do not touch the port unless if it's a different number than 25444. Make sure it's 25444. After that, you're basically it. Just click on host, and there you go. So that's all you got to do to join a server or host it. I mean, host and join. To join the server, what you do is, so if you're hosting it, you don't click on the join button, you click on host, so you always host it. Your friends on the other side click on the join button, and what they do is they punch in your public IP address, the one that's hosting it, and then the same port and everything, and then that's how they join. So it's not hard to do, you know, but you do gotta watch this video thoroughly to understand how to do it. So sorry that this part it doesn't have any like pictures on the video. It's because my fraps got screwed up on this new game because it's in the alpha, so it always screws up. But that's it for this video. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I will answer all of them as best as I can. And if there's too many questions of the same thing, then I will do a Q&A video. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because I will be doing some gameplay on this certain game. So thank you for watching again, and have a great day.